don't know why it does that, but yeah. First thing you want to do, exactly the first thing you want to do. You want to jack up your car. Don't be a dumbass and try to, like, I don't know, do some dumb crap. Alright, so as I was saying, first thing you want to do is going to be 3 bolts on each side for the top. You want to unbolt all 3. And that's an easier way to get under here. But I already unbolted this one bolt right here. And I'm going to try to use a wrench and unbolt that one. And for right here, you can take off the windshield wiper. Once you take off the windshield wiper, you can stick your socket or whatever you're using to get here and unbolt that one. And after that, take off your wheel, and then you're gonna see like 3 bolts or 2 bolts. Yeah, 3 bolts. So yeah, I'm gonna get that bit started for you guys. Let's get it. All right, so first thing you want to do to get access to all 3 bolts for your knife jam is gonna be like a little piece of plastic like this right here. It's gonna be right here. Take this off. And once you take that off, you have access to both bolts. Well, actually you have access to 1 bolt. The second bolt is going to be this little cover right here. And it's going to go right there. So get a screwdriver or something that you won't scratch it. And you pry it off. And then you'll have access to the nut. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then for the last one that's all the way in the back, you're going to have to take off this trim. So basically, let's see how I could do it. Literally for the wiper bolt, you just pop off the top, and I'll just place it right there. And I'm sorry if my freaking thing keeps getting in the way, but yeah, next thing you want to do is see this right here. This is all plastic trim. This all could pop off. Just don't freaking force it. It's gonna pop off. Literally, you just pull it. You pull that off, and then this part should be the same. You don't want to force anything. Just wiggle. Should be able to pop out. So this is popped out, and now you want to unscrew this nut, and once you get this nut unscrewed, should be a hole that you can stick wherever socket you're using inside. And I think the size of the socket I'm using is a 15. You guys can't see it, but where is it? 15. So yep, that's how simple it is to get under here. So I'll get you guys back when I take off the wheel, and then I'll show y'all the strut. And I'm kind of sorry that the camera's angled like that, and I'll show y'all the strut. And yeah, it's hot today, like it's extremely hot, but whatever. I need to put these coils on because I'm ready. All right, so if you're wondering what size nut this is an 18. And yeah, literally after you do that, just lift up and hold on. Gotta put this down and use 2 hands. Literally, you just lift up. I'm not trying to break it.
$2,000 years later.
All right, so to get the to get the blade off, it's gonna be right here. Literally, it's gonna lift up and you just pull. Don't pull till you break it. Don't pull on the top of the blade. Pull like right here where it curves up. Pull there. It's not my fault if you break your crap. Don't care. Alright, so after you get those top bolts out, you're gonna come down here and let's see. Alright, so you wanna come down here. You wanna take out this bolt. I don't know what size that is, but you have to take out this bolt. You have to take out this bolt. Take out this bolt. I know this is a 10. And then you have to take out the end link. Sway bar end links. Yeah. And then this should be able to fall out. And this might fall down. So make sure you have a jack. You want to put your jack under here and just keep it up, because it will fall. So yeah, let's get it started. Alright, so here's the update. I think I said that too fast. Alright, here's the update. So, got the strut out. Strut with the spring right here. And now, I'm going to install these bad boys. And basically, to install them, it's the opposite of on how you uninstall that strut. So basically, First thing you want to do, you want to stick the 3 bolts through the tower, whatever you want to call it. Screw them down. You don't have to tie them. Just screw them down. Then get this to align with it inside, with the top bolt and the bottom bolt. Once you get that aligned inside, screw it on. You bolt up your end link, your brake line, and your ABS. I think that's your ABS, or is your freaking some shit. You want to bolt that all, because all that's here. So, yep, and I think this is the right side. Yeah, this is the right side. So, all right, I'm gonna, you know, bolt it up. I'm kind of tired and hungry, and I'm kind of hot. And then my battery's about to die. I said bye. My battery's about to die. So, yeah. I'm just gonna show you guys when I bolt it up and give you guys a little like tutorial, I guess, on how I did it. So, and if you guys don't already know how to preload your coils, it's really simple. All you want to do is lower this collar, and then make sure this has no play. So you keep tightening this, or you can lower this and check how long your spring is. It's like a 7-inch spring. What I did to my friend's car, I lowered it, like I compressed it at least like ½ an inch, and not, well, ½ an inch or less, a little bit less than ½ an inch. So just, you know, it'll be tight and it'll move around. And after that, you want to put this on, and then you adjust your height with this. This is not for your height. This is just for your, this is your preload and how stiff you're gonna be, and you don't get no clunks and all that crap. Because you could fuck up this and still have this, and your ride height, and your ride quality still gonna be shit. So this is how you lower your car. It's really this, and you spin this. Well, when it's on the car, you spin the whole body. That's why you make sure this is tight. Because if you're trying to spin the whole body and this is spinning and it's not moving, that means it's not tight enough. So yeah, let's get it, gang gang. All right, so update. Your boy slammed, tucking. By the way, my dog came. It's my dog Brian. Follow him at.
I don't know my shit, to be honest.
Isn't it like X King VNGG, some shit like that?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put that shit there. It's all right.
All my shit too.
That boy slammed. This is what we did yesterday. Boy slammed. He not tucking. Good thing he's not, cause that shit look like it's gonna be a beef. It's gonna be fucking crazy for me to drive. I'll definitely get that alignment. But yeah, for the back rear struts, basically you want to do is take out this nut right here. Once you take out this nut, there's nothing else you got to take off. If you want more space, you could take off the upper control arm, which, you know, will be smart if you want space, but literally you don't really need that much space to pull this out. You literally just, once you pull this out, this should be able to bounce, and you can push this down. And once you push this down, you'll be able to pull the spring out. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys after I take out this nut. So basically this nut right here is gonna be 14? No, 14? Yeah, 14. It'd be better if you had a breaker bar, cause that nut is, whew, that nut is on, got some crack in it. So yeah, catch your boys later. All right, so we got that one bolt out. It's a pretty long bolt, not the longest, the front one's the longest, and it's right here. So you're gonna take out this bolt that's connected to the strut, and it's gonna fall down. You're gonna see this push out. So it's okay, don't be scared, it's not gonna kill you. Just let it push out, because when we take this out, we're gonna have to bounce on it, and then this is gonna be able to come out the spring. What was that?
We folded. We should have took this off before we took off the whole strap. The bolt from the strap, the shark.
Why?
Because it's turning as I'm turning.
The strut?
Yeah. Watch.
Yeah, I see it.
I'm gonna take this one. You took that one off too?
What, the bolt?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just stick the bolt back in.
Just put it back in just a little bit so that it doesn't move. No, it's not gonna go up. You gotta put it up manually. Man.
What, this?
Yeah.
It's not gonna fit.
Huh?
It's not gonna move up. It's just, you gotta jack it up now.
Oh, you talking about, oh, my bad. I thought you were talking about something else. You're right.
Wait, go down. Wait, go up. Go up. Stay right there. Go up.
perfect angle.
Nah, it's not turning. Alright, so as I was saying, don't do what we just did. Leave that bolt in and take out the top. So basically you gotta pull out all these tabs in the trunk. And then it's gonna be right here. And you just wanna screw this out. Unscrew this nut. And do it on both sides. Then you come to the bottom. Then undo this nut. And then the strut should be fine. And you pull out the strut. Then you pull out the spring by stepping on this. It's easier if you have two people. You can have somebody step on this or push it down. And one person spins this and pull it. And it should come out. It's gonna be like an ass to do it, but you gotta be strong. Strong and have, you know, power and be willful and do that shit. You feel me? Yeah. You good, you can stay there. So right now what he's doing, you gotta get an Allen key, put it on the top of the, not the bolt, but on top of the thread itself. And then you start twisting. Oh, it's gonna take a while for him to do that because it's fucking a long process. So yeah, I don't know what to say. How you guys' day been? Put it in the comments. Tell me how you guys felt, how you guys been doing, you know, what you guys did to your car. I'd like to know. Right now I'm tired. I'm black, you feel me? But you know, still got the look, you feel me? That boy VTEC sounds crazy. Wow. That boy clean. Civic gang. Civic gang. SI gang.
How was that?
It's pretty good. Alright, you guys. If you guys enjoy what you guys see, please like that. Like that? Please smash that comment. Smash that like button. Comment. Subscribe. I'm so tired I can't even speak English right now. Peace.